and welcome to Defend the Galaxy Studios, where we have 100 times more space. But do you know what we also have? We have 100 times more explosions.
Approved by Defend the Galaxy Studios. It's totally safe to do at home.
Explosion! Explosion!
Come on, blow
up!
Let's do this.
I can't. It's too dangerous. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, there's a link right up there.
And if you want to like, there's a link right up there.
If you want to watch more of our videos, they're right over there. Hey, we've had enough explosions for today.
Hey, remember, it won't explode.
Yeah, go ahead.